Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a fire department script from Sky Systems into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which we are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script is currently in beta mode. You just need to scroll down over here. These are the pricing of the script. First one is for monthly basis and the second one is for lifetime access. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. Now we have to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting them over here. Now open the Sky job base folder. Now we have to run the SQL of the script. For that, just double click over here, open your head SQL, select your server, then click on run. Now open the fire job folder. First run the SQL of the script. Now go to config, then inventory. Then copy all these images from here, then paste them into your inventory script. So I'll be pasting them into my QB inventory. For that, go to QB inventory, HTML, images, then paste them over here. Just like this. Now open the documentation of the script. The link will be in the description below. Scroll down over here, go to inventory items. Now select the inventory which you are using. So in my case, I'll be using QBCore. Then copy these line of codes. Then go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code. Then paste them over here. Just like this. Now open the fire job folder. Then go to config. Then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. This is the configuration of fire station blip. So I'll be keeping it default for now. This is the configuration for fire extinguisher and there are much more configurations over here. So this is the configuration for firefighter job. You can configure it according to your preference. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now before starting up the server, make sure to ensure all the scripts in the server.cfg. Open the server.cfg. Then ensure them over here. Just like this. So we are in the server now. So for this video, we are going to configure this fire station for this video. So first, let's set ourselves as a boss. For that, we need to type /set boss, firefighter, then grade. So we set ourselves as a firefighter boss. Now we need to type /job config. Then select the firefighter job. So over here, you will find a pre-configured firefighter job. If you want to create a new job, then just click over here and fill all the details. So for this video, I'll be using the default one. Just click on edit. So this is a general section which contains job's name, off-duty job name and more. So the second option is for shop, which contains all the items of the armory. If you want to add a new item, just click over here. Or if you want to remove any item, just click on this delete button. The third option is for props. The fourth option is for vehicles. This is a pre-configured vehicle over here. The fifth option is for location. So let's set up a new fire station location. Just click on add fire station. So I'll be giving it a name of fire station. If you click on edit, you will get more options to add locations for garage. So I'll be using the default one. So let's select the vehicle garage by clicking over here. So I'll be adding vehicle garage menu over here. The second option is the spawn location. So I'll be adding this location for spawning. The third option is for parking. So I'll be selecting this location for parking. Just like this, let's set up all other locations. So all the locations has been set now. The last option is for blips. You can configure it according to your preference. And on the left side, you will get more configuration which you can configure according to your preference. As you can see, after everything is done, click on save. Now if you open the map, you will find the fire station blip over here. Now let's give ourselves the firefighter job. Now let's go on duty. Over here, if you find any fire extinguisher, you will get option of to take the fire extinguisher. Just like this, as you can see. Now let's go to the boss menu. So this is the boss menu of firefighter. As you can see over here, it will show the list of all on-duty officers, most active officer and off-duty officers. Over here, if you want, you can add ferns in the firefighter department. And over here, it will show the list of all the officers. This is the option for jobs. And finally, this is the option for logs. So this is the armory over here. So I need to add some ferns on the boss menu. So now let's purchase some items. Now let's get the vehicle. So this is a firefighter truck over here. So I'll be showing some of the items from here. So let's use this item. To place this item, we just do press E. So this is a rescue prop which is over here. If someone's stuck in any building, they can easily jump in here and they won't get any damage. So there are some more items over here. You can explore them after purchasing the script. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.